drive. You know, we drive further distances, more than really we ever have. When you get home, you know, if you have office work to do, you might sit down in front of the computer. You may be sitting down. You sit down to watch TV. We sit down. You know, most people don't eat standing up. You know, we sit down and we eat. When we socialize with our friends, we generally do that from a seated position. So we become more and more sedentary. It's very interesting because recently the CDC has claimed and marked that sitting is more hazardous to your health than smoking. If you can believe that. Isn't that crazy? Yes. Sitting is now, the studies have shown, death rates of people that sit for certain periods of time is happening quicker and quicker at a younger age, even more so than just smoking. So that being sedentary is something that is really a huge issue.